Welcome to a set of index laws where we're going to look at zero index and power of a power. So one of the other laws that we're going to look at, so far we've done multiplication where we added our indices, and we've done division where we subtracted our indices. This is our next one, which is zero index. And we say that anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. The only exception is we can't do 0 to the 0. But anything else to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. So in our two examples, in the first one, that entire bracket is raised to the 0. So that's equal to 1. In the second example, only the y is to the 0, so only the y part becomes 1. So we get 8 times 1, which is 8. So with the power of a power, when raising an index to another power, keep the base the same and multiply the indices. So in our example, y to the power of 5 or to the power of 3 is equal to y to the 5 times 3, which is y to the 15. Thank you.